we're actually going to use our ARB tire flat fixer upper.
Fixer. Here, it's our for our tire.
There you go. It's the 4x4 accessory, but it's a tire kit.
Yeah, the tire kit.
And
tire kit.
there you go. Nothing happened to our Bronco, but something happened to our other car. So that's what we're gonna do right now. This is what it comes with.
Yeah.
It has that to remove the nail. It has that to cut the rubber piece. Here's all the rubbers right there. So we are using our Harbor Freight Pittsburgh jack. Yup, 3 tons. So man, this is perfect. We're using our Moab Easy Flate to put the air back in.
So we're just looking for the right size. I think that's 20 or 21, 22.
This is 21. Yep,
Yep.
It's a 21. So after removing the tire, which was actually easy, there's the nail right there.
Yeah.
Wait, what else? Let's check. Let's check some more.
I think that's it.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
Yep, that's it. This is the ARB Recovery Speedy Seal Puncture Repair Kit instructions. She'll be the one to remove it.
Okay, it's his turn to try to remove it. Alright, we find, I think it's, oh, I could hear the air coming out.
There.
Oh, got it.
Yes.
Okay, says that we need to use that lubricant thing. Put more.
More? Oh,
Yeah, just put it like, yeah, like that.
there.
Yeah, so we're gonna be using the quart. So we have that spiral shaft inside the hole. So now what we need to do, it says here that we need to thread the repair cord through the eye of the insertion tool. That. So one of that, you need it, yeah. Okay, finally got one.
I thought I was gonna break it.
Now you need to use the other tool.
Okay.
Yep. And then you thread that inside there.
In here?
Yep.
And then put it like in the middle, right?
Yeah. Okay, so if it says that you can also put some lubricant.
So much easier. Oh, there.
Yeah.
All right, now what?
So now we have to remove this and then put that.
Put this.
Uh-huh. There. And then you insert it. More. Yep, more.
Twist, right?
No, do not twist.
Oh, do not twist. Sorry.
Just insert it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so since we cannot really put this thing down, we're gonna put some air using our Moab.
I think the PSI on this says it right here. Oh, up to 30.
30?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's finally sinking in.
Yeah, it's sinking in. We just need
There
to
you
put
go.
air and pressure.
Air and pressure.
So I need to just push this part down while pulling the handle up.
Okay.
That's if I have strength to pull it.
Oh, you got it. There.
Hold on.
Oh. You want me to do it?
So push this and then pull this
All
up.
right.
There.
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 That was kind of
Yep.
hard, but it's cool.
We got the thingy in.
All right, now what?
So now we need to remove the excess. But we need to make sure that there's no air coming out.
We're now removing the excess. Yeah, now it became part of the tire. Now we have more thread now.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Now let's double check?
Yeah. So
Okay.
you can maybe use
This.
to check our tire pressure.
All right. We're going to use their tool to check for the PSI.
Oh.
There.
So what's in it?
So right now that's 10.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's going by twos, I guess. So
Okay.
12, 14, about 15.
Yeah.
So we put the Moab back in. Here, let me start it now. So we stopped the Easy Flate at 30. Let's check this again. Oh yeah. It's about it's about 30.
Yeah.
Cool. We just finished putting water and soap
Yeah.
just to there's the site. Just to see if it's so if it starts bubbling, it means to still see that there's a leak, right?
Yeah. All right. So now it's time to put the tires back. All right. We just lower the car.
Yep.
And
Now we gotta put all three. Let's check all tires now.
Yeah.
For the air.
uh-huh.
We connected 3 tires because we already put air on the last one. So right now it's at 16.4. Wow, we're running 16. And it's supposed to be 30.
Yeah.
All right, let's put air. We're done. We put air on all 4 tires. And this was the culprit. Sorry, my hands are really dirty. Culprit right there. And we are all good. All the tires are now running at 30 psi. Now we are going to kind of test drive it
Yeah.
to see how everything runs. And hopefully we did it correctly. But we just checked the tire pressure again. So it was like what, 15 minutes after we did the
We plugged the
we put the plug and the tire pressure is still saying almost 30 psi. So
Yeah.
that's cool. We're back here in Bouillon in our French restaurant, and we got ourselves escargot right here. See, their chicken is so good.
you.
Thank you. Now have the French onion soup. Man, this is so good, guys. It's the profiterole, guys. Saving the best
for
last. Are you sure that's what it says?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, hold on.
There.
It's not really going in. That's the thing.
Oh.